Welcome to Section 3 recap. Section 3 was an introduction to Java and we covered a lot of the core Java concepts. So we started off the section by looking at a Hello World program and analyzing its different components. And we kind of got a basic understanding of the different parts. We left some parts for later, but we understood some of them. And then as we learned new and new topics throughout the section, we culminated by we culminated by revisiting the Hello World program and editing it using the new abilities that we had learned and the new syntax that we had learned. So we had learned what variables are, which they're just something that stores a value, and we learned how to declare them, and we also learned what their types were. So integer, double, and boolean were the ones that we focused on, and we also learned how to convert from a double variable to an integer variable and so on. And we also looked at strings. So strings are not primitive types, and we remember that we also learned how to declare strings. We looked at input and output, which are essential parts. Input is not part of the APCS test, but it's still very, very essential. And we looked at the output as well. And we saw how to import different packages. For example, for the input portion, we'll need to import the java.util class. Java.util package. And we also looked at escape sequences, which can help us format our output. Now, I understand that for some of you this may be basic and for some of you this may be complicated, but the most important part is that you should have a good understanding for this, because variables, types, strings, input and output, these are really critical parts of Java, and it'll be difficult for you to comprehend what's going on for the remainder of the course if you don't focus on this. So congrats on making it through this section and keep up the hard work.